Legan bhí slat tauschen der shatan is cata lena de spántas na dire. Conas mar bach cunnar a thugraig ar a górsan an Cavan. Cuána flartagus Dave McCaig hamon trátrachta.
Aras a garage da. Agus Buaitphointí. Filmidir an gestan ha chaid. Kinson turfe boide as she titte. Stach san angle. Ag Rory Kinson the inder di halvu. Be Kinson levi in the húsha.
Score into the Garrows McKiernan. Agus again lady and shin barn G call Kulish.
Yeah, on the Ragrako. Builat ver varka. Iachar shin laveder idra hénig sa chéile cóir. Agus Buaitphointí. Cosint on the Roylín and Lechjarko agus a spás aimshet heavy stig. Agus Gwani iachar shin. Leshi Gidó go Peter Carrigan Yaller Conas. Raim shin spás Nivon spás a hun Trinnis. A pass now Chiu chance as a chéile. Ni hef McBride. A kick Gigante. Ishil ni dúirt David cén cuain agus an cuain ar
Yeah, bin kick Pinos Furfa o Jordan Martin.
An Mark Blake ige Hamid Leanú Duraig an Duchamid an Nash. Doran Curha lé. Nína minute tacht an Nash. Mar Buaitphointí in the forne. Well, Desh score all leg McGovern. Cadína se. Túra se fell Buaitphointí. Hashi Meath Buaitphointí Hantosig. Ní bheith gach Desh score all of all in the slí with an cluhimach. Hasha toward fair Coupla. Hashi Passag Flynn. Hasha Buaitphointí. You host on Cavan Dowie in them. And that had second Falcon had tweeted to here.
Lads know Jack has that in the locker, and if he connects, it tends to go over. So yeah, you'd be trying to set it up to get our shooters on it, and thankfully we did. And as I say, once it left Jack's boot, you always know by his reaction whether it's gone over or not. So we knew it was going to be a good one.
Yeah, no, we're going nicely. You know, there's probably that bit of expectation from last year and whatever. So we try and manage that as best we can. Look, 2 is from 2 is great. Look, we're just going to try to push on again. That's next game. So Slough next, and we'll focus on that now tomorrow.